Good day, everyone. My name is Prosper Mukoro. I'm a student here at Simtech Academy. I'm a web developer. Yeah, so over here, you can see on the screen, this is my first landing page project. It's also a business idea of mine. So when I came here at Simtech, so I just decided to take this opportunity to build a page to complement my business idea. Over here at the nav bar session, you can see my logo, you can see my service, you can also see my about, my contact, and over there you can also see my book service. When you over the book service, you can see when the marks is on it. Okay, at my hero session, you can see this background of two gentlemen working on a vehicle. Okay, the hero session is saying, let's take car service serious. Okay, so welcome to Sunrise Auto Repair Dealership Experience at affordable rates. Meaning our prices are affordable. You can reach us anytime you wish. Okay, over here, you can also see a technician with a tools and tire. And you can also see unlock the power of professional maintenance. Okay, here is telling us that we know your challenge you face in cars, despite the model. We know variously we use different type of model from the manual to the automatic. So we know your challenges. We are here to fix it. So you can contact us. That's all what this session is telling us about. So you can digress down. You digress. This is our workshop. This is our technician. So at our service, these are the things we offer. We offer oil changes, flip top off, wheel alignment, brake repair, battery replacement, routine maintenance, complex repair. So these are the various services we offer to our customers, and we are diligent. We have all type of equipment, from manpower to computerized equipment to fix your problem. Also, this is about us. At Sunrise Auto Repair, we are proud to be an independent family, owned and operate full service auto repair shop. Okay, we are located at Warri, Delta State, Nigeria. We have been operating since 2018. So you can read more about us. You'll find more details about us. Your mileage, we also talk about mileage here, almost about 36,000 miles. Okay, I'm going to go down and I'm going to go to the contact page. You have a question, you can reach us with this phone number displayed here. Okay, this is our address. Also, we also have a branch office. So this is our address. We are located at DSC Express Road. We are along the express. Very easy to know along the express. At number 25 DSC Express Road, Onyan, Delta State, Nigeria. For quality service is guaranteed, meaning we are offering you nothing but the best. So we also have a branch office for those who are not close by to this area. Number 1 Udu Road by Oro Junction, Delta State, Nigeria. So this is our social media handle. You can reach us in Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. These are our various social media handles. Over here, this is our service also. If you click here, it will take you to the general vehicle maintenance, about all what we do in our car, and maintenance and mechanical repair, electrical service, meaning we diagnose, we service, we repair. We also do tire and wheel service. We also sell wheels and tires. We also align their maintenance. Okay, here is our support. We help center, appointments, contacts, and communities. Here we also have our contact, leadership, about us, career, and legal notice. Okay, so this website, I just display the desktop part. You know, most times we're always on our phones, so we make this website mobile friendly. So I'm going to inspect it here. It's going to display art on phones, different type of phones to you. Okay, so let me just put it in 12 Pro Max. Okay, this is it. This is how our website is going to display in an iPhone 12 Pro Max. Once you log in, this is how it's going to be displayed. So you will be surprised like, oh, where's the nav bar? So this is the hamburger button. You bring your mouse over here, you click on it, you can see our service, about, and contact is being displayed here. So I'll go back. And you can also see the time. So everything that is in the desktop is also at the mobile. You can also see our hero, unlock the power of professional maintenance, down to our service, our list of service we offer. You can see it here. You can also go down to our about page, founded in 2018, down to our about page, down to our contacts, which is also our footer page. You can see our social media handle here, over here, our address, different branch office, you can see them over here. Also, you can go down. You go down below, you see our email address displaying. So you can also reach us via through email. We will reply. Okay. So I built this my website with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So I'm going to take you over to my VS Code to show you the process and breakdown on how I come up with this website. Okay. Okay, this is my HTML page. You can see my HTML down to my closing. My closing is in down to my meta viewports, my title, down to my nav. You can also see my nav bar, yeah, which is about the about service contact, down to my button, which is showing service. So this is my hero session. Yeah, and this is my website. I also make use of the column, role, and container to structure my website so it can give me a responsiveness. You can go down to my service, to my contact. The last place is my JavaScript, which I use to structure my nav button. So I'm going to take you to my CSS over here. Scroll behavior to my body, the styles I use on my body, my H1 to my H5 to my H6, then my container, my row, my column MD1 to 12. This is it. My media query. So this is the design I use to come up with that beautiful website. This is my nav, my main nav header. These are my designs. Done. I'm going to go back to my browser. So you can see, this is my business, my brand, and also my first landing page project. Since I've been here at Simtech for about a month now, so I'm able to come up about this. So looking forward, you hear more from me and you see more projects. So thank you and God bless you.